Implant Direct's legacy system provides 4 design and packaging options, offering surgical and prosthetic compatibility with Zimmer Dental's tapered screw vent system. The addition of the Legacy 4 implant has once again set a new standard for simplicity, versatility, and value. The Legacy system, developed by Dr. Gerald Niznick, represents the culmination of over 30 years of industry-defining innovation and includes his 1986 invention of the internal hex conical connection that has become the cornerstone of modern implant design. 4 legacy implants differ in packaging options, but each includes Implant Direct's patented 2-piece healing collar for 1 or 2-stage surgery. The Legacy 1 is packaged with a frictional carrier transfer cover screw and healing collar. The Legacy 2 packaging includes a transfer temporary abutment coping cover screw and healing collar. The Legacy 3 includes a transfer preppable final abutment, cover screw, and healing collar. And the all-new Legacy 4 includes a 2-piece fixture mount and transfer, preppable abutment, healing collar, and cover screw. All Legacy implants share the same internal hex prosthetic platform. The Legacy 1 implant features a tapered body and allows insertion using Zimmer tapered screw vent drills. Double lead V-threads transition to quadruple lead mini-threads, and 2 self-tapping grooves extend halfway up the implant. SBM blasted surface extends to the top of the implant, and HA coated is also available. Legacy 1 is available in 3 implant diameters and 5 implant lengths. The Legacy 2 is mounted on a titanium fixture mount usable as a transfer and can be modified to create an engaging or non-engaging temporary abutment. Its design features the top third of the implant straight with the lower 2/3 tapered for bone expansion. Aggressive double lead buttress threads transition to quadruple lead mini threads. Progressively deeper flat-based threads increase surface area, and 3 aggressive self-tapping grooves extend 2/3 of the implant length. Also available in SBM blasted surface to the top and HA coating. Legacy 2 is available in 7 implant diameters and 6 implant lengths. The Legacy 3 is mounted on a titanium fixture mount usable as a transfer and can be modified to create a preppable full contour abutment. Legacy 3's design features an evenly tapered body allowing for insertion using Zimmer tapered screw vent drills. Double lead threads transition to quadruple lead mini threads, progressively deeper buttress threads for an increased surface area. 2 self-tapping grooves extending halfway up the implant length, SBM blasted surface to the top, and also available in HA coating. Legacy 3 offers 7 implant diameters and 6 lengths to choose from. The Legacy 4 is the latest update to the ever-advancing Legacy system of implants. It features a revolutionary new 2-piece fixture mount with an array of design features. Legacy 4 features the same popular implant body and features of the Legacy 2, and is also available in the same 7 diameters and 6 lengths. The new 2-piece fixture mount design for the Legacy 4 offers precision transfers and prosthetic simplicity. The square of the fixture mount separates from the abutment section. 6 notch arms lock into a groove inside the screw access hole, and the square in place while the external hex of the square fits into the internal hex of the fixture mount. Section the abutment off at the groove to shorten by 2 millimeters. The concave transgingival profile is designed for a thicker gingival cuff and papilla preservation. The fixture mount is attached to the hex platform with a fixation screw. The implant comes packaged with a cover screw and extender for 1 or 2 stage surgery, and the extender features the same concave transgingival profile as the fixture mount. Legacy implants can be placed with Implant Direct's Simply Smarter surgical sequence, or with the Zimmer tapered screw vent surgical protocol. Optional cortical bone drills are available for all diameters and work to widen the upper section of the bone cavity to the diameter of the implant for placement in very dense bone. And in reverse gear, the drill can be used to contour the bone. Each implant vial includes 2 color-coded peel and stick labels useful for patient records. Cap labels are color-coded by implant platform for easy identification. Legacy 4 offers flexible placement options, including direct ratchet insertion, with the spring design of the fixture mount head allowing the implant to be carried to the site by the ratchet. The head design also includes a torque safety feature, failing at excessive torques to avoid damaging the implant in dense bone. The same safety feature applies to insertion with ratchet and hex tool. Indexing the flat of the fixture mount aligns the implant hex for proper abutment placement. Another placement option, useful where space is limited, is to remove the top of the fixture mount and place with a 2.5mm hex tool directly into the abutment. With the implant placed, take an impression by covering the entire fixture mount in impression material before applying a fill impression tray. The top of the fixture mount stays with the impression when removed. Both one-stage and two-stage surgery can be accomplished with a flexible healing collar and cover screw. peak abutments are available to fabricate temporaries. These peak abutments can also be used to create custom healing collars. The abutment portion of the fixture mount is then attached to an analog and fit back into the impression. The metal-to-metal connection of these components provides a more accurate transfer. Once the model is poured, the abutment can then be prepped for final use. Alternately, the abutment portion of the fixture mount can be left in the mouth for temporization, and a snappy type abutment analog can be used to fabricate the permanent crown. With a full line of internal hex-compatible prosthetics offering significant savings, Implant Direct continues to broaden your prosthetic options.